Okay, well, for now, let's discuss a couple of stocks that we normally don't talk about. It's SJVN and NHPC. Basically, in the hydropower space, Nimesh is joining us. Nimesh, there's a very interesting view from CLSA.
Well, absolutely, Anujana. And for the first time, I'm seeing an influential broker like CLSA putting out a note on NHPC and SJV, and they've initiated coverage on both the stocks. And as I said, this is maybe the first institutional brokerage to have a coverage. On SJV and CLSA has initiated a buy report with a target price of 42. They believe that the stock has a potential to double in the next 4 years. SJVN, according to the CLSA note, is firm plans to reinvent itself as a renewable power, power as a service play, and with a 1.6 gigawatt of new hydropower projects and 14 gigawatts of new pumped storage projects. Look at the revenue projections that the CLS has put out. After just reporting 7% growth in the last 5 years, now CLS is forecasting earnings equity, earnings to double in the next 5 years from now, EPS to increase by 45%, and ROE to expand by 365 basis points. That's a huge number that CLSA has put out. So, interesting note on SJVN, a buy rating by CLSA with a target price of 42. So that's SJVN. The second stock is NHPC. Again, first time I'm hearing getting a report from a foreign brokerage like CLSA on NHPC. They have a buy rating with a target price of 51. Now NHPC is among the top 3 leaders in the RE developers, and is one of the largest players in hydropower projects. Now, even in NHPC, look at the numbers that they are quoting about. They believe that NHPC is going to be a key beneficiary of India's net zero commitments, which will lead to a big earnings potential and earnings growth for a company like NHPC. So therefore, CLS is forecasting revenue earnings equity of growth of 131% over the next 4-5 years. With almost 7.5 gigawatt of work under construction under NHPC. In fact, they are also expecting, even for NHPC, a 45% growth in EPS and a 217% growth in ROE over the next 4 years. So they're talking about big numbers, and for both NHPC and for SJVN, CLS put out a note with a buy rating and big upsides. On SJVN, CLS believes the stock can double in the next 4 years.
That's indeed is interesting. Nimesh, first of all, we don't talk about these names at all. I mean, it doesn't come up at all. And then on top of that, for initiations like this, quite something. Let me put that to Nimesh, thank you for that.